Hello my good people, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Now today guys, I have so many good things to show you. I'll be sharing to you. You see this switch here is an intermediate switch. Come near, I show you. This switch is an intermediate switch. As you can see, it is written intermediate switch. So what does an intermediate switch do? First of all, what do we have here today? I'll be showing you how to wire a consumer. Remember the video I did, I was in the field, so many of you complained. Guys. Now let us first of all wire. Let us first of all wire. So as you can see, our main wire, as you can see, our main wire come to this. So let us assume this one here is a consumer. This one here is a consumer, guys. So I will start by you see neutral. Neutral has come this way. So neutral, I wire neutral here. That's neutral. We loop. Remember we are wiring. I'm showing you how to install a consumer. You see, now that is the channel. Our main wire has come to this part, has given this MCB, this one, and our neutral, I've looped this one. Now let us wire for the lighting. Let us wire for the lighting, guys. Now let us take the neutral part. Remember guys, this one is a junction box, so the neutral comes direct to this bulb here. You can see. You can see. And also, let us wire the left part. Very good. I did not use the pipes because I want you to see clearly. I want you to see very clearly. And then that main, let me. You see, this main wire comes to this common. You see guys, the main part. Now we are doing the wiring part of the lightings. You see, our monitor is given to this. Now, yes people, now let us wire this, the intermediate switch. Intermediate switch. I'll make sure it is connected. Now that intermediate switch, it has the L1 and it has the L1 terminals. It has the L1 terminals. Remember, we are wiring the intermediate switch. I have to wire it using, you cannot wire an intermediate switch without doing the stamper thing. I think you are seeing very clearly. You see? The neutral is done its part. Now let us continue. Yes. An intermediate switch. I think you are seeing. The main has come, the neutral you give there, we have used the C10, it has taken, it has come, this is the junction, and this one is the one gang switch, intermediate switch, this one here. The third one, we have also a one gang switch. Now let us wire it. Now I think guys you are seeing clearly what you have done. Now this gang here, the upper one, this one here is a one gang switch, and this one here, the one that has 4 terminals. the L1, the upper ones, the lower ones are the L2. Now this one at the center here is an intermediate switch. Then this one here is a one gang switch. Now the common, we take now the common part, then we give wire it there, then we bring it, sorry, this one, it now comes to this bulb. It now comes to the bulb. Now guys, I think you are seeing, you can see there, that is our mains wire. They have come to this I told you, let us assume this one as a consumer. Then the part here, you see this, the neutral wires. Then the live goes, we loop them to this MCB, the MCBs, the miniature. Then the 10 one, as you can see, it has come. This one is a junction box. This one here is a junction box. As you can see, it has come, it has given to this one gang, then the intermediate switch, then the one gang again. Now you see that wire has the way it come. Give that one, this one. You can see guys, that is how simple. Now let us test it. Now my people, we have accomplished. Now let us test our wiring using the diagram one of an intermediate switch. We put there on. This one we also put it on. Now because we have not wired these ones, the 32, 20, 10, 16, then to the light one, we make it on. And let us come to the one gang. It is on. Let me put it this way. Now remember, this one is a one gang, intermediate switch, then one gang. Now one gang, you see, it is working. Then let us come to the intermediate switch. You see, it is working off. Let us come to the last one. You see, it is working. Now let us do it overall. Off, on, then you see, you see, you see. You see guys, I think you are seeing very good. Now people, don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel guys, because I do this for you. This one was due to your demand. Now go there, watch, share to your friends and subscribe. Thank you.